Want to create demos that convert? Let's dive into how to measure and optimize your arcade's performance. We'll explore the key metrics that matter and share proven strategies to enhance your demo's effectiveness. Before we dive into the metrics, let's see where to find your arcade insights. You have two main ways to access performance data. First, there's Flow Insights. While editing any arcade, simply click Insights in the top navigation bar. This shows you detailed performance data about that specific demo, including how each step is performing. Second, you'll find Overview Insights in the left-hand sidebar of Arcade. This gives you a bird's-eye view of all your arcades and their current metrics. From here, you can click on any demo to jump straight to its detailed Flow Insights. Pro tip: Arcade crunches new data every 10 minutes, so you'll always have fresh insights to work with. Arcade provides comprehensive insights to help you understand how viewers interact with your demos. First, we track views and viewers. A view only counts when 90% of your arcade is visible for at least 3 seconds, ensuring accurate engagement measurement. Play rate shows how attractive your demo is to click on. This measures the percentage of viewers who become active players by interacting with your demo. Completion rate indicates how engaging your content is, showing the percentage of players who reach your demo's final step. And finally, CTA Click Rate measures viewer intent to learn more after experiencing your demo. Beyond these top-line metrics, Arcade's performance tracking gives you deeper insights into how viewers engage with each step. Our drop-off curve shows exactly where viewers are most engaged, or where they might lose interest. This helps you identify which parts of your demo need optimization. You can see conversion rates between steps and understand exactly where viewers might be getting stuck or losing interest. For branching demos, you can track which paths viewers choose, helping you understand what content resonates most with your audience. With Arcade's Audience Reveal feature, you can see exactly which companies are engaging with your demos. Track engagement metrics by company, including total plays, unique viewers, and the number of arcades viewed. This intelligence helps you identify high-intent prospects and tailor your follow-up strategy accordingly. When you include forms in your demos, you can track submissions directly in your Insights dashboard, export submission data easily as CSV files, or connect it directly to your CRM through our integrations with platforms like HubSpot and Salesforce. Remember, the key to high-performing demos is continuous optimization. Use these insights to refine your content and create demos that truly resonate with your audience. Want to start measuring and optimizing your demos? Sign up for Arcade today at arcade.software.